Today on the show, we're diving into the world of signal messengers. These has been continual debate at the World Regenerative Conference at Cambridge University, and later at SIME Rome, about how experts determine this. Are they both similar in function? Shall they be used separately or together? We'll break it all down for you. With the help of some experts, to make sense of the numbers that shape our world. Let us start with what exactly are secretomes. The secretome is the collection of biologically active substances released by cells into their surrounding environment. These include growth factors, cytokines, chemokines, peptides, proteins, lipids, messenger molecules, and extracellular vesicles such as exosomes. For many years, regenerative medicine focused mainly on the cell itself, particularly stem cells. But increasingly, we understand that much of the therapeutic effect may not come from the cell becoming new tissue, but from the signals it releases. In that sense, the cell acts almost like a biological pharmacy, sending instructions to nearby cells to repair, regenerate, reduce inflammation, improve vascularity, and restore homeostasis. That is why secretomes are attracting so much interest. They represent a shift from cell therapy toward cell-free regenerative signaling. But are secretomes really new? In branding, yes. In biology, not entirely. Cells have been communicating through soluble factors for decades. What is new is our ability to isolate, characterize, concentrate, and apply these signals more deliberately. In aesthetic medicine, experts like Prof Patrick Treacy from Dublin have already been moving in this direction through PRP, growth factors, conditioned media, low-level laser, photobiomodulation, and other biological stimulatory treatments. Secretomes are part of that same evolutionary journey. They are not a sudden revolution. They are a more sophisticated language for something our field has been moving toward for years, using biological signals rather than simply mechanical correction. It is also important to understand the difference between secretomes and exosomes. Exosomes favored by Dr. Ernesto Cidranes Kings in Madrid are only one component of the secretome. The secretome is the broader mixture of substances released by cells. Exosomes are small extracellular vesicles within that larger family. A secretome is more like the full orchestra. Exosomes are one section of the orchestra. Important, but not the whole symphony. So why does this matter in dermatology and aesthetic medicine? Because aging skin is not simply a volume problem. It is a problem of cellular communication, chronic inflammation, extracellular matrix degradation, impaired repair, oxidative stress, and reduced regenerative capacity. Secretomes may influence inflammation, angiogenesis, fibroblast activity, collagen remodeling, pigmentation pathways, wound repair, and tissue quality. Their most logical early role may be as an adjunct after procedures such as laser resurfacing, microneedling, or radiofrequency microneedling, where we are already creating a controlled wound healing response. The aim is not to replace established treatments, but to improve recovery, reduce inflammation, and perhaps enhance tissue remodeling. Are secretomes safer than stem cells? Potentially yes, because they are cell-free. But cell-free does not mean risk-free. These are biologically active materials. Safety depends on source, sterility, purification, storage, dose, route of delivery, manufacturing standards, and regulatory compliance. The main concerns remain standardization, contamination, potency testing, immune response, disease transmission, and legal classification. In this field, clinical enthusiasm must be balanced by scientific discipline. The responsible clinician must remain open to innovation, but not seduced by it. The key phrase is promising, but not proven for every claim.